the nonfiction that I do, which often called travel books, I think they go well beyond that, and I don't really like to be called a travel writer. I don't want that adjective attached to me. But it is true that if you're writing travel, and I think this is why there have been so many travel books written of late, the narrative structure is there. You go here, you go there, you do that. The writer John Gardner said there are only two plots around. One is the stranger rides into town, and the second plot is the stranger rides out of town. Well, I was doing both. Here I come into a town, stop, talk, get in the van, go on, right out of town. So the structure was there. It was really, in that sense, easy to follow. But when I came into my second book, Prairie Earth, which is about the tallgrass prairie in east central Kansas, I was out there doing my reporting for 7 years, walking around, taking notes, and do I have that with me? My books begin in little things like this, and given that I kind of write fat books, I don't know why I start so small. But this, and I usually have a little space pen, you know about space pens, Fisher space pens. You know about those? If you don't, you want to write, you got to do it, because you never know what position you're going to be in when you're taking a note, talking with somebody, and you can hold a Fisher space pen like this, so the ink is running away, and it keeps writing. They're made, that's why they're space pens, because they'll write in zero gravity. So they're great. Then I get back and I transfer these notes into another notebook, which is, it gets bigger. So you see what I'm doing here is going from nothing to something. And I reemphasize that nothing to something, boy, that's the trick.